How do I use the Dishwasher Care product? Our Dishwasher Care product is recommended for regular cleaning of your dishwasher. Instructions can be found by peeling away the label. Please read them carefully. It is tested and approved to remove grease and limescale and recommended to be used every 1 to 2 months, depending on how often you use your appliance. Before using the product, please empty your dishwasher completely. Do not add any detergent when cleaning the appliance. When you open the bottle lid, please make sure not to remove the foil cover on top. Open the cap and turn the bottle upside down to pour a small amount of cleaning fluid on a clean cloth. Then replace the cap tightly on the bottle. We recommend wearing protective gloves. This cloth can now be used to clean the complete door rim of the dishwasher if necessary. The rim can collect residue over time and should be cleaned regularly. After cleaning the door rim, pull out the bottom basket of the dishwasher. Again, ensure the cap is tightly closed on the bottle. Now remove the foil cover on top of the bottle cap. Place the bottle upside down in the empty cutlery basket. For dishwashers without a cutlery basket, you will need to unpeel the label and fix the bottle upside down to the plate racks on the bottom basket. Make sure the bottle is securely and tightly fastened so it does not fall over during the washing cycle. To start the cleaning process, turn on the dishwasher and select a program of at least 65 degrees centigrade or higher. Then start the dishwasher. Check the instruction manual to see which programs correspond to different temperatures. Allow the program to run to its full completion. You will know that the cleaning has been successful if the seal on the cap, which releases the cleaning fluid, has dissolved. To use this product, please follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.